So this is the rear folding seat side panel. So you can see on this panel, and we have a leg over here, and we have a leg over here. So you can see they're going to get into this hole, and I think here is to get that hole. And also on the top there is a square. This will hold the clip from the car body. So this is the clip, so it's a little bit flexible. You can move it a little bit, so this will clip into that square hole. So we need to install the bottom first and insert this leg and that leg into the holes over here, and then we push the top onto this clip. That's how to install it. So now I have put it close to its position, and here you can see, and that leg get into that hole, and this bottom leg get into that hole. So we're going to try to push it down. We try to push all the way down. So now I have pushed the bottom down, the two legs into the holes, and the top nearly aligned. So I'm going to push, just a little bit, hold this side in, and push, and push, and push. I think the clip now is inside the square hole on the panel. So this is how to install the rear folding seat side trim.